Ever had a problem? We've had a problem with a noisy refrigerator. When it turns on, it makes this buzzing noise. And it's like, oh, is there something wrong? Is there a motor? We're going in and cleaning out from underneath the vents. We pulled out the refrigerator. We thought everything was clean and it was still buzzing last night. What's going on? What's going on? So then I'm like, okay, can we get down? We're hearing the vent buzzing, the motor buzzing in the back of the fridge. You can't access it. And then I pull out all the drawers, the freezer drawers, and I'm like, okay, everything's clean this way. And then all of a sudden I heard God say, try blowing a fan, a leaf blower, into the vents of the refrigerator, freezer area, and see what will blow out if it just cleans it. And so we chose to blow those vents. And wouldn't you know, when he closed the drawer, we found this that was lodged underneath our refrigerator. Good news. God gave us a suggestion, and we're trusting this is the resurrection of no noise at night so we can sleep peacefully. God bless you. Thank you, Jesus.